Imagine you open the newspapers 3 years down the line. You read the headlines and you feel extremely happy and excited. Now think for a moment, what is mentioned in the newspaper that really makes you feel excited and happy about it? Did you get a thought? This is exactly what your vision is. Vision is what you see some years down the line. However, you achieve it by starting to work on it right from today at this very moment. How many of us actually have a vision for whatever it is that we want to achieve in our own life? The same holds true for your business as well. Let me give you an example. We have all heard the name of the famous Olympian Milkha Singh. Now, Milkha Singh wanted to break the world record of 400-meter race. So he approached his coach, and his coach wrote down that record on a piece of paper. On it was mentioned 45.9, which was the world record for 400-meter race. Milkha Singh therefore decided to break this record, and he worked with his coach relentlessly to break this record for the next couple of years. After all the hard work, he was finally able to break this record in the Olympics of 1960, which were held at Rome. He could break this record and create a new one. That became the record for the next 40 years, and it remained unbroken. Now, all of this was possible because Milkha Singh worked on a vision. The point is, how many of us have a vision in place, and how many of us are willing to work at it? Because it's not something that you're going to achieve only later, but you also have to start working on it right at this very moment. For that matter, if you have ever looked at an eagle soars high above all of us, almost at thousands of feet above the ground. But at the same time, an eagle has also got its eyes set on what's happening on the ground. So basically, eagle knows everything that falls into its radar, but at the same time, it has its eyes set on the smallest insect roaming on the ground. The same holds true for an entrepreneur as well. An entrepreneur has an all-round ability to look at what's happening at a broad level. At the same time, he or she has the ability to look at the minute details associated with his or her business. If you make a combination of these two, then you have the potential of being a very successful entrepreneur. We all have heard of Mahabharata, perhaps the greatest tale that has ever been told. And in Mahabharata, there is a famous character called Arjun. Now, Arjun was being taught by Dronacharya along with other students. And there was a bird which was tied on top of a tree. And Dronacharya went ahead and asked every student, "Tell me, students, what is it that you see?" Somebody said, "I can see the bird." Somebody said, "I can see the branch." Someone said, "I can see the whole tree." But it was only Arjun who could say that I see the eye of the bird. The eye of the bird, my friends, is what we call vision. If you can see the eye of the bird, then you can definitely create a vision for your own business. And also, you have the ability to achieve it. So get back to your dream book and note down some of these important questions. What is my vision? What is it that I'm going to do which is going to make me happy 3 or 4 years down the line? What is it that I'm going to do for my customers? Where will I raise the finance? These are certain important questions for which you need to find an answer for. And when you find an answer, you perhaps will be in a position to achieve your vision. So go ahead, arise and keep winning.